Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alina Mirza and I'm back with a new vlog. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alina Mirza and I'm back with a new vlog. So आज जो है देख सकते हैं इतनी अच्छी अमेजिंग मैंने वाइब बना रखी है क्योंकि आज जो है हम बहुत ही अमेजिंग एमवी देखने वाले हैं। तो आज किम ताehyung की एमवी आ गई है फाइनली। किम ताehyung वेट अरे किम ताehyung की एमवी विंटर अहेड हम देखने जा रहे हैं। तो मैंने अभी तक देखी नहीं है, मैंने सोचा इसका रिव्यू करेंगे बिकॉज इसका बहुत टाइम से इंतजार था। आज फाइनली 29 नवंबर है एंड आई एम गोना बी लाइक पोस्टिंग इट। ये व्लॉग आई थिंक मार्च वगैरह में स्केड्यूल होएगा, बट एनीवे तो लेट्स स्टार्ट द एमवी। आई एम वेरी मच एक्साइटेड। ओके सो लेट्स बिगिन द एमवी। Okay, so it's the fashion for me. Oh my god, Kim Taehyung's fashion is next level. Whatever he wears, it just what do I say? I'm just a huge fan of his fashion, like just a huge fan. ये सीन मैंने टीजर में देखा था इसके, तो देखते हैं अभी नेक्स्ट क्या चल रहा है। ओके सो कुछ मुझे एमवी से ऐसी वाइब आ रही है जैसे ना कुछ पास्ट दिखा रहे हैं, कुछ पास्ट चल रहा है इसमें। व्हाट डू यू थिंक? Dude, the aesthetics, the shots taken and everything, the quality, everything is amazing. And we are going to watch Kim Taehyung the actor this time. Dude, like looking so elegant. Oh, मच्छर कहाँ से आ गया? I just love this. What is he wearing now? So he's sitting all alone here in the मतलब यहाँ पे hall wall का scene. Like there are like lot of Woo! That looks like a movie. Okay, so बिल्कुल मूवी एस्थेटिक्स है। पता नहीं मच्छर आ गया यहाँ पे, मच्छरों को भी देखना है एमवी। सो यार बहुत मजा आ रहा है ऐसे सस्पेंस थोड़ा थोड़ा करके देखने में ना। दैट हॉरर मूवी, आई डोंट नो बट कुछ हॉरर टाइप का। बट यार दिस सीन इज क्यूट। सो ही जस्ट वोक अप। ओके सो दैट ऑल इज सो किम ताehyungish। बिल्कुल ऐसा लग रहा है पीछे जैज का थोड़ा सा म्यूजिक चल रहा है। और यू नो दैट ही मैंने जितनी भी एमवीज देखी हैं, ही द एस्थेटिक्स ऑफ द एमवीज एंड यू नो द कामनेस, बहुत ही स्लो एमवीज रहती हैं बट इतनी एलिगेंट और काम रहती हैं इनकी, मतलब किम ताehyung की एमवीज की। एंड यू नो देयर इज लाइक अ स्पेशल ऑरा, आई वुड से। ओके लेट्स बिगिन। Dude, he looks like a Korean SRK. I don't know, he gives me SRK vibes. Voice goes. Oh my god, I just love the depth of his voice. From the stars apart, there's a wind. यार मतलब the music to my ears, I would say. So he's like basically sculpting something. If it's cold and we're always warm. Okay, so basically the interpretation of this MV is, so here Kim Taehyung is a sculptor and he was just trying to create something out of his imagination, and that's what I have assumed. Side by side, come with me. हटो छोटू यहाँ से हटो। Change of heart, who can say? If you look in my eyes, I have no words. Oh my god, like literally this is That's like a short magical movie.
For the moon and the stars, here is strumming guitar.
Which has like I just felt that I'm in a utopian, euphorian world, and
Where I am meant that it be night.
that looks very filmy.
I'll be with you until
Good job.
the spring runs by and the summer starts to burn.
Dreamy.
I'll
Dreamy, like super dreamy.
be with you when the autumn rain
Sana, you should watch. देखोगे?
returns.
मच्छर तो असली एमवी में नहीं है मच्छर guys. So it's like where art meets emotions.
Don't you wanna say you'll stay?
And myth finds life.
Lie with me by the fire.
Dude, this sweater is worn by Jungkook, by the way.
From the storm
Oh my god, this scene is like the 4 a.m. thoughts of every Kim Tae bias.
up high.
Oh, my 4 a.m. dreams. And just imagine yourself, just oh my god.
Whether it's cold or wet, we are swimming.
And elegance, and I don't know, you just go to another world whenever you watch his MVs. Dream of every Kim Taeyong bias. Just the happiness around, and I think he likes to portray such kind of MVs where he's like having like a very great and elegant lifestyle. So yeah. Oh my goodness. This is so cool. This is so cool. I'm just obsessed with the background and all that. Beauty. Not even a second, like a blink of it is, oof, the aesthetics of this MV. Aesthetics, voice, vibe. Aura,
Until the spring runs by
theme, story.
the summer starts to burn, and
So I just love it, and obviously the kind of fashion, the kind of clothes that he choose, or whoever choose clothes for him, whatever, the fashion sense is like on point. The aesthetics, the background.
the time returns.
Just stream.
Yes, when all the seasons turn.
The voice,
Come on, change of heart, who can say?
there's nothing as we call imperfection.
If you look in my eyes,
I don't know, but his MV has another level of charm.
for the truth in my heart, from a world far apart.
Like every second is worth watching, I would say. That there's like super dramatic.
You realize where you can find paradise.
the actor Taeyong. Like you can just, we are just introduced to the actor Taeyong here, and wow. It's basically a story of creation, imagination, love, transformation, and shifting of phases. Oh my god, the face card! Woo! Oh my god. Oh my god, the face card, guys, the face card. Just look at this. Actually, the face card this guy has. Golden ratio face. I just love the fact, that the transition from that. What's happening? And also the flashbacks, flashbacks. Wait, what's happening? Oh, that is so beautiful. The way it is getting portrayed, it's like beautiful. Oh my god, the face card, guys, the face card. Just look at this. Dude, the acting skills, oh my god. Wow, actor Taeyong is something else. Actually, I just love the fact, that the transition from that, and also the flashbacks, flashbacks. Beauty, beauty, beauty. It could be again an alter ego kind of MV which he makes a lot. So again, that black apparel, the one who's bleeding, that could be the alter ego. And yeah, that one basically has like a depressing or sad stage. Yeah, so that could be the one who is like sad or has a very dark stage, and he just tried to sculpt or assumed or imagined a different life where he's like wearing the red one, the red apparel, and he's like enjoying. Oof. Kudos. Then there's also a girl that he created. It could be out of his imagination that he's living a very good life. So basically, just to kill the solitude or the loneliness, he tried to imagine a different life for himself, which is like very thoughtful. And yeah. So Park Hyoshin and V, that's like a combined MV. Oh my god. Boom. Fire. Gosh. When we talk about this guy, magical, pure magical MV. I just love it. Obviously, I'm gonna be rating it 1,000 out of 10. So yeah, that was all. Thank you guys for watching the vlog. I hope you guys like it. आप भी अगर ये MV आपने देखी है, वैसे तो देख ही लोगी, तो आपके रिव्यूज क्या है इसके बारे में, ऑनेस्ट ओपिनियन दीजिएगा. ज़रूरी नहीं है इफ़ यू आर लाइक अ BTS आर्मी और किम ताeyong बायस फैन. अगर आप नहीं भी हैं तब भी आप ये MV देख के जस्ट गिव योर ऑनेस्ट ओपिनियन, बिकॉज talent should be appreciated. Okay, so that's what I believe. And oh my god, the talent this guy has is, oh my god. So yeah, that was all. Thank you so much for watching the vlog. I hope you guys like it. Please do like, share, comment, subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon for more notifications. I'll be back with new videos super soon. And